converted my generator to propane today. Just used the tank off the grill, the new on-demand regulator, down into the carburetor, take the float and main jet off, drill it for the new propane jet, hook it up. Very little adjustment, it's running perfect. Take it from an idle to full speed. No hesitation. This is a very old generator that I've probably cleaned gunk out of the carburetor 10 times, because every time I want to use it, of course, it's full of water and nasty. So even with the treated fuel, it still seemed to want to build water and corrosion. So that no longer should be a problem. Just thought I'd show everybody how easy it actually is.